Okay, Romy, we're going Schluffy together.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
I'm waiting. You getting all ready?
Wait, I can't cover up mine and my pillow.
You can't cover them up?
Yeah.
Try it again. Do it slowly.
Slowly? Okay.
Yeah. If you do
I
it.
can do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to see if I can help?
Yeah, how?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go. Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, Yofi.
Now I can sleep.
Okay, now you sleep and I'll sleep too, and we'll meet each other in the dream park.
No, my nose hurt.
Your nose?
I have bugs in my nose.
You do?
Yeah.
What should we do?
Clean my buggy.
Okay, what are you doing? Your feet are out of the crib. Romy, are you being funny? You're pretty cute. Whoa. Romy. Whoa.
I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.